We're here with this beautiful 1970 Riva Super Aquarama. This is a collector's item and a beautiful bit of Italian maritime history. She's running Crusader 350 horsepower twin V8 engines, and she's been perfectly restored and in amazing condition. She lives in a climate controlled environment, and I'm really looking forward to showing you how beautiful this vessel is and explaining how good of an opportunity this is for you to own this beautiful vessel. Just how rare this vessel is. From 1963 to 1971, they only built around 200 of these things. So there will be a few of them over in Europe, but even rarer here in Australia. So it's a brilliant opportunity. I'm Blaine from Flagship International. It was a pleasure to show you guys on board today. If you would like some more information, a brochure, or to book an inspection, please get in touch and we can go put this beauty in the water and take it for a run.